Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I make 24,000 per month from stocks, dividends and options. Welcome back to the Road to the Financial Freedom and Early Retirement channel. As indicated, I'm going to tell you how I make 24,000 per month using a variety of strategies that work together to build consistent income and long-term growth. My main strategies are simple but powerful. That is mainly selling and buying options for short-term profits and long-term profits, building dividend income from high-quality stocks, ETFs. In addition, the profit also coming from earning interest income on idle cash, and of course, good old buying and selling shares for capital gains. If you are new here, this channel focuses on earning towards 200,000 per year through smart investing, building monthly income with high quality dividend stocks, ETFs, options, and stock trading. But the main goal of this channel is to reach $2 million in portfolio value. In today's video, I'll share how my overall portfolio has performed so far in 2025 from January 1st to September 30th in numbers. We'll look at my capital gain, my dividend income, and my interest income so far this year. And stay tuned till the end. I'll also tell you what's coming up next on the channel, including my options trading strategies, detailed portfolio reveals, and completed dividend breakdown. All right. So with this one, let me bring up the capital gain and option profits and all this good thing to this particular screen. Okay. So far this year, my capital gain have been strong, and a big part of that came from options trading and some stock trading as well. Options have become a cornerstone of my strategy because they allow me to generate income in both up and down markets, whether through covered calls, cash secured puts, or spreads. I'll be showing my detailed option setup, strike selections, and trade management approach in upcoming videos. In fact, I have just uploaded a video walking through my AMD options trade, which are on track to bring in around 4,500 in net profit. So check this out on my channel. That's just one example of how small strategic trades can create consistent income without needing massive income. Okay, so let's look at the cell number 13. This shows the total gain for this year, and I'll just make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 accounts. There is a margin 1 account, margin 2 account, retirement account 1, spouse retirement account 1, spouse retirement account 2. There is another retirement account 2 and margin account 3. And each of this account I have listed here. In margin account 1, there is a total gain of 52,305 so far this year until September 30th. Margin account 2, 96,374. Retirement account 1 is 11,736. Spouse retirement account 1 is 6,338. Spouse retirement account 1 is 10,231. And retirement account 2, I don't have any capital gain or loss. And margin account 3, I have about 14,576. So that comes to big total of 191,560 until September 30, 2025. Let's move on to dividends. From January through September, dividend payments have been a stable foundation of my portfolio. This come from all sorts of dividend stocks and ETFs that have long histories of steady payouts and growth, as well as some of the newer ETFs that has come in the market. Dividends are the quiet income that keeps compounding in the background, helping me move closer to financial independence every single month. And looking at dividends, here are the numbers. Margin account 1 is 1,114, followed by 838, 9035, 2,806. 1898, 2082, and 274. Altogether, the dividend income so far is $18,047. Okay, and then there is interest income, not glamorous but surprisingly effective. By parking idle cash, this is the interest that I'm getting in my each of these account. This is just a, I would say, a surprising secret that my all of my accounts are in interactive brokers. And interactive brokers, your idle cash as well as when you sell your puts, there is an income coming as an interest. The margin one account so far, I'm in negative 1,281. That's because couple of puts that I had sold on Apple that was assigned to me. That's the reason the margin went up. All my cash were utilized and I had to borrow on a margin. So that's the reason I was actually paying interest to interactive brokers. And that has come to negative 1,281 so far. I have closed about 200 Apple shares position in my account. So next month, this will be in positive, but still this will still be negative for at least in a foreseeable future. Margin account 2, I have interest income of 4,876 followed by 1,230, 925, 55, and 856. So far I'm getting 606 661 as the interest income until September. So what I have done here, expected for 2025 for 6661 and 18,047, I divided by 9. So I got the each month and then I multiplied by 12. So this is I expected for the duration of the entire year. So I expect by December 31st, this is the interest 8,881 that I'll be getting. And this is the dividend that I will be expecting end of the year. That is 24,062. If you total interest and dividend income expected, it will be $2,745.25 per month. This is my capital gain so far, 191,560. I divide that by 9 because this is up to September. And so each month, if I say it's $21,284.44 per month, I am not anticipating how much capital gain I'll be getting because those will be depend on what kind of active trading I'll be doing, whether there'll be income, there'll be loss. And so I'm not adding any of this one. These are all speculative. But for the interest and dividend, I know that the dividend will continue at this rate as well as the interest will be coming up on the idle cash or this sold put that's in the interactive brokers account. So in total monthly income with all the capital gain, interest, and dividend is the grand total of $24,029.69 per month. So when you add up everything, capital gain, options profit, dividend income, and interest income, my portfolio has generated impressive results so far this year. Each income source plays a different role, but together they have helped me maintain a steady monthly average income of around 24,000, moving me closer to my long-term goal of financial freedom and early retirement of $2 million in portfolio value. Well, that's it. This is just the beginning. In the next few weeks, I'll be releasing a series of videos where I will unveil each of my portfolios, showing exact allocations, holdings, and results. Share my option strategies, including real trades, expiries, and strike selection, and post a complete dividend income background so you can see exactly where the monthly income is coming from. The goal isn't to show off numbers, it's to show that consistent, diversified investing can build real, repeatable income. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments, are you focused on dividend investing, options trading, or capital growth this year? Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep investing smart, stay consistent, and keep moving towards on your road to financial freedom and early retirement.